Hey there, YouTubers. Here we are at the Ocean City, Maryland Convention Center at the Spring Cruisin car corral. And we came across this gorgeous 1972 Chevy Resto mod. According to the owner of the seller, the car was professionally painted in plum mist metallic with a two-stage paint. It has new leather interior, seats, door panels, and trunk. Comes with a built fuel-injected 406 cubic inch small block engine. Backed up by a Muncie 4-speed transmission, a hook shifter. Back there's a 10-bolt posi rear with 342 gears. Other features include power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, tubular upper and lower control arms, instrument panel, has a tilt column steering, custom Flowmaster exhaust, 18-inch toy wheels, all around a nice car. Seller's asking price $42,900. Alright, that's it for this car. Until the next time, like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification button. Dreamgoatinc, check it out.